Our homemade chicharon. Only that one is left now. The most yummy part because it's soft and crispy. So my friends, here's our pork skin. We will do a chicharon out of this. Now I will boil this one. Okay, this one is I already put with salt. So now we will boil it. So guys, this is the pork skin that we boiled a while ago. Now I let it cold and we will put this one in the freezer. We will froze it. We will fry it frozen tomorrow. Okay. So this is the pork guys that I frozen. So I cut now into strips and I remove this fat. So only the skin. We will fry now the skin. We don't fry this one with we just fry piece like that and we will see. So now guys, we're checking if our oil is already hot. It seems hot because it's bubbling already, the stick. Yeah, so now it's hot. Now we will put the pork fat. So it's like that guys, starting to do like that, and then oh my god, I will load the heat, then we will cover guys. So guys, we put a cover because the oil is jumping. So I put there only 2. We will see later when I will show you later when now I'm covering it. So there guys, I add some like 5 pieces and it's popping. You hear that? Check guys, only that is left because my husband is arrived already and start to eat. Yeah. So guys, my husband is always eating. It's like Chris Doré in French here in Quebec that we're eating during maple syrup season. It's really crispy. Only that what we have now on our, I'm trying to cook this one, frying there. As you hear, the oil is jumping again. So our chicharon is done. Thank you for watching guys. That's it. Have a great day. God bless. Bye bye. So guys, the last batch of these fats is that one, the jumping over there. This one is more yummy. Honey is more soft. This one is more yummy. It's more soft. Then this one is really the skin. But all is good. I like this part with chicharon, this one, because it's soft. So with that, thank you for watching. Bye bye. No, didn't make pat because it's not salty because I did not put a lot of salt. Our homemade chicharon. Only that one is left now. The most yummy part because it's soft and crispy.